Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi
Usimbon Menteri Rangba jong kejela uba Preston Tinsong hakala sengiu belai jong kekat pratrik ubnaya yong arajar arpuar ula ong baka sorkar kan sa PYNBNA PAIDBAH ya ke KAIPHOD halor ke jing TOHKIT bakli do nong bishar bala shong thai URN Mishra ha kabayade bat ke jing KYNNOH BAMSAP hapo ke office jong ke MeECL Energy Corporation Limited Hakajing ya keren bat kilat patai kubor uba Preston ula ong bahaka dorbar jong ke yeng dorbar tauan ke ban salong biang menta usnem arajar arpuar ke sorkar kan sabu hakmat ke yeng dorbar kenang baki jing ai jing mud jong ke komiti baladep thung an sa PYNBNA syaki PAIDBAH.
I've asked my department to study free because see, it's quite thick. It's quite thick report. So it cannot be done only 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days. Because they have to study everything and what are their recommendations, then they'll put up to me and then we will have a meeting and then accordingly, as I said to you, we will meet the recommendation made by the committee. You remember, I think budget session was just over, financially was just over, and then again now we have Good Friday as the holidays. So hopefully maybe by next month I'll be able to tell you exactly the position of this. And not only that, in the next session, I'm just telling you, we will also lay it on the table of the House. So that, you know, the recommendation made by this inquiry committee can be made public. See, the problem is, you know, if you say alternative arrangement, it's so difficult. And the calamity happens anytime, any moment. It's so unfortunate. Of course, I've already alerted the officers of the MeECL to work extra active in their respective jurisdiction to make sure at least people does not suffer much. But there are incidents where even the substation was totally destroyed, damaged by the calamity. So I've already told them, instructed them that you work 24/7, make sure that reinstallation of power has to take place